Guys, after the Below episode, I was just flying around and going to turn it off just in a moment. Then I found this really creepy place. It's literally full of zombies. So let's go like down here. Holy moly. This is a zombie town. I don't want to go in here. Oh my god, there's no music. This is creepy. These cactuses. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. What the heck is this? This anvil doesn't work. My pleasure says it doesn't work. Don't try anvil at home if it's on PC. This does not work. What?
That's not deal.
What the? That's odd. He's not supposed to be on there. That's so weird. No. Why is the water like different colours? Yeah, it's so weird. I can see little tiny pixels everywhere. This is just crazy. I'm trying to hold this camera and play at the same time, so... What the... What is this? Tunnel. Oh my god. Oh my god, did you hear that sound again? Did you hear the sound? Oh my god. Oh my god. I have a different world now and I heard the same sound. Tobias, why are you out there with the bat? Please protect me. Okay, I regret saying that below doesn't work. Okay? Don't. This is very, very terrifying. I'm gonna keep going. Oh my god. What was it? Did you hear the screechy sound? I'm gonna rewatch this video in a minute. Okay, there we go. I'm just gonna actually just over here. It happened just after I went through this cave. So what is that? What is that? Oh my god. What the heck is that? Oh, it's just a new thing. Why is this in the middle of nowhere? What is this? Oh, yeah. Just a new feature. It's just a new feature. What was that sound? It was like... Is that you or something? I had to delete my other Minecraft world. Something terrifying happened. So basically, me and my brother were just playing it, starting a new world and trying to do it. And make a house and get all the iron swords and stuff. Just doing it from scratch. Making a new world. Basically...
You still recording that video? You should edit
No, I'm
that.
recording another one. I'm recording another one because I heard that sound again in a new world called Anvil.
Did you get it on camera?
Yeah, I don't know. What the heck? What is... I just found this. I should dig that. I'm just digging sand. See if I can find like a grave.
Are you on a new world? Can I join?
Yeah.
Fine.
I'm on a creepy world you don't want to join.
I want to join.
Sure, you'll spawn in the middle of nowhere. There, so. Just keep having a look. Just
Wait,
keep
I can
flying
fly.
around.
Which way did you go this way?
No, I don't know where I am.
Fine then, I'm going a different way too.
I
like
made
I'm
a few buildings.
Why do I feel like I'm going towards the village?
You are. There is a village right there. That's a village that I was at before. Nothing creepy going on.
Okay, except from that's creepy going on.
No, that's just a world loading slowly. We just had an update, you see.
Look, what is that coming out of the ground though?
Yeah, it's just like the bottom of the earth because you can dig to the bottom of the earth. Oh, Kai, I'm right here near the village. Again. Look.
Hello, I'm trying to get away from you to show the guys something new.
Okay, let me go this way. I don't know.
What the?
I know.
I'm going down it.
I went through a tunnel before and then I heard scraping noise.
Like that. Guys, do you hear that?
Oh my god! I regret what I said, I regret what I called the other video. I regret that I called it The Thing Isn't Real, oh my god. Did you hear that sound? That's not a cave sound, you know. This is the sound I keep hearing at night. Just before, at this time. We keep hearing sounds.
I need to get a tool.
If you want to hear the metal bars dropping.
When you get a tool, you don't
So mostly it'll be
I've got to get a tool.
mustard.
I
Right
need
near the
a
ground. I've got right.
Right, let's see where this
I'm just gonna quick make a base camp just here.
Oh, a creeper.
I'm recording your screen for a bit. Oh, I can't see it, it's too dark.
It's alright, I'm taking some. Can I see it now?
Kind of, I'll record both screens.
Look at all that! And what's that?
Coal, it's not worth anything. Just what you put in ovens. Right, so if you see any lanterns anywhere, that's just me. Because I like to place random lights everywhere. If you see lights everywhere, it's just probably me.
All me. That's what I'm doing right now. Wait, Anna, water! Oh, snap, I just fell on a greedy trap.
I'm fine.
What's that?
It's gold!
What do I do now? Dig it.
Nothing. Don't dig it, because you're in creative, it disappears. Just leave it. This is
What's that now?
Oh my god, you found lapis. Okay, I just found loads of diamond ores and
We
stuff.
can come back down here because I'm placing torches everywhere.
Yeah. Kill all the monsters. Oh, I found them. And
What's that now?
Holy moly. Did you see that?
What's that?
I'm gonna find you. What's that?
Why is it red in the wall? Wait, I think dancing the Emma's been here before. If you
No.
watch it.
Yeah, it's like this. What on earth villager is this? Can somebody tell me what on earth villager is this?
Wait,
Red
what is it?
door.
What's that too? I just want to know.
Diamonds!
What this is.
Leave it there for survival.
Okay. I'm coming.
Oh, fine.
Oh, wait, what's under
Stop.
there? Wait, no. I'm not going.
Go out, be free. I'll protect you with my light.
But I'm going right around.
Poor villager can't get in his house.
And some more diamonds, and more diamonds, and more. more diamonds. What's this again?
What are they?
What's that? What's that? And that. And what's these? I don't think these are
Gold!
diamonds. Gold. Ah.
You don't know any colours.
What's this? I know, I'm going down the water side. What?
You know we're actually
Ella,
going
is this a rare sighting? Look, there's torches there and up there.
Yeah, you put the torches there.
Yeah, but what? Is this how one's there? Wait, I start to see light
Oh,
again.
I've seen this in some tunnel. We see
See
lava.
light.
So
Oh, what have you been here?
let me see something.
Right, this cave just seems to be. I'm gonna go somewhere else.
Oh my god.
I don't know where I am. Wait, what?
That is a terrified sight.
What this?
Look at my screen, there's a random log. Have you seen Tobias was on Dylan's mat a minute ago, you know Kai's gone. Oh my god.
Let's go.
Oh my god.
What's up there?
Help. Oh my god, holy.
Like, what is this?
Holy hell.
Like,
Yeah, it's a spider he's climbing.
Oh, yeah.
You always do
there's a
that.
creeper under it, so I thought the creeper was holding it.
Mom, get the camera. I've already got a camera.
Is that copyright?
No. Shut up, Kai. You're annoying.
I'm annoying. We're all annoying. Why is there a
annoying.
big wall full of gold and diamonds?
Yeah, because you're so deep down. Is it a tunnel down or is it just...
It's not.
Can you, do you have to fly up? Because then if you do, that's bad. And you've not killed any of the monsters.
Oh no.
I'm back here. How is this tree not setting on fire?
Oh my. Should I go?
How is this tree not setting on fire?
Should I go down?
Yeah.
Ah!
How is this tree not setting on fire? Very confused about that. Look.
Oh my god. Like, where am I? I've travelled so far deep into
Oh.
I don't even know where I am.
Yeah.
Hello, why is the lava coming out of the wall?
Yeah, it's just a lava fountain. Oh great, forest fire. Ah! Scared
I'm
me.
digging.
I'm out of here.
Is it night time?
Yeah.
They say don't mine at night. Don't mine at night.
Just get... No. I wanted to go onto the thing here. I'll turn it to day because I can't see where I'm going. No one can see what I'm doing. Everything looks good. Guys, this is scary.
What's scary, eyes? Is why that door?
No, the thing that I saw earlier, the ghost.
Oh.
The ghost town that I just found.
Oh.
Do you think we should end the video here?
Yeah. Then we can do a fresh one, because I don't think...
No, but guys, I'm going to end the video
No, wait,
here.
no, down. Just carry on recording. I just found.
Yeah, we know. Other people have found even rarer stuff like netherite. Okay, guys, we're going to end the video here. Say bye, Kai.
No, it's mine.